Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm That Wavy Sneakerhead and I'm basically here coming at you guys, giving you guys a video on a channel update, so stay tuned. Alright, so I know I haven't made a video in like 2 months and I apologize for that, but I'm just coming to let you guys know that I'm back. I'm gonna start making videos again, so let's get it. I've been woofing for like the past 2.5 months. Like this whole time I wasn't making videos, I've been woofing. I have been getting my hair cut down to a 3.5, which normally I get my hair cut down to a 2. So yeah, my hair has been pretty long, but I just recently cut my hair down to a 2 again. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my progress on my waves, and let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, hold on, let me grab my brush. Alright, so this is how they're looking. This is the right side, the top, the left side right here, the back. Now don't talk about my fade, bro, cause I know, just know, I know. The back right here, and the crown, bro. Let me show y'all. Let me show you that crown, bro. Oh my God! It got better, huh? It got better, huh? So yeah, like I said, for the past 2 months, I have been cutting my hair down to a 3.5, which it took me a while to grow my hair. Cause you guys remember when I was doing the no woofing challenge, I was cutting my hair down to a 2 like every week. It took me like 2 or 3 weeks to grow my hair out even long enough to even cut my hair down to a 3.5. So I've been doing that for the past 2 months, and then once I cut my hair down, this is how it's looking now. Doing that, I'm gonna be honest, doing that has helped my waves like get deeper and stuff like that, as you guys can see. It didn't do too much for my crown, cause who cares? I don't really care about my crown like that. If you guys have any ideas on what challenges you guys want me to do in the near future, make sure you guys go ahead and comment down below. And I am going to start dropping these videos weekly, so make sure you guys are watching my channel and have your post notifications on so you guys can know whenever I upload. And thank you guys for watching the video, and stay wavy.